Hi everyone, Spencer here. How to make pancakes the easy way. Easy pancakes, good old-fashioned recipe. You need 100 grams of flour, 2 large eggs, 300 milliliters of milk, 1 tablespoon of sunflower or vegetable oil, plus a little bit extra for frying. Lemon wedges to serve, optional, and caster sugar, also to serve, optional. Put the 100-gram flour, 2 large eggs and 300 ml and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, sunflower oil into a bowl, and also a pinch of salt. Then whisk to a smooth batter. Set aside, after doing that, for about 30 minutes. Set the medium frying pan over medium heat and carefully wipe it with some oiled kitchen paper. When hot, cook your pancakes for 1 minute on each side until golden, keeping them warm in a low oven as you go. Serve with lemons and caster sugar. That's obviously optional. There we go.